Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install Composer step by step. Composer is a very important tool if you are working with PHP, Laravel or Drupal. By the end of this video, you will be able to install Composer successfully and verify that it's working correctly on your system. Before we install it, let's first understand what Composer is. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. In simple words, Composer helps you download PHP libraries, manage project dependencies, keep your projects clean and organized. Popular frameworks like Laravel and Drupal rely heavily on Composer. So if you are serious about PHP development, Composer is mandatory. Before installing Composer, make sure PHP is already installed on your system. PHP version is visible in the command line. You can check this by running php-v command. So I will run in my command prompt php-v. Here you can see it is showing that my current PHP version is 8.3.28. It means PHP is installed and you are good to proceed. Now let's download the Composer. Open your browser and search for download Composer. So go to the first website, that is composer.org. For Windows, we just need to download and run this composer-setup.exe. It will install the latest Composer version whenever it is executed. Click on this composer-setup.exe. It will download. Click on this exe. Select the option Install for all users. Click on Yes. Again click on Next button. During the installation, it will ask for the PHP path. Usually it auto-detects PHP if you are using XAMPP or the WAMP. Otherwise, you need to click on this Browse button and set the PHP install path manually. After that, click on Next button. Again click on Next and click on this Install button. After that, click on this again Next button, and last one is click on this Finish. Once the installation is completed, Composer will be available globally on your system. Now let's verify whether Composer is installed correctly. Open the command prompt and run the command composer-v. If the Composer is installed properly, you will see the Composer version. Here you can see it is showing the latest Composer version, that is 2.9.2. That means Composer installation is successful. Composer is the backbone of modern PHP development. You will use Composer to install Laravel, install Drupal, manage third-party libraries, handle updates and security practices. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any query or the question, please write them down in the comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.